Hello everybody, I have a tune-up report on the RCI-2995DX CF as tuned with the Henry 2KD Classic. Alright, this is for Philip in Massachusetts. Alright Phil, she's all back together, everything's working fine. What I've added to the back of your radio is a jack right here. And you see I added an RCA cable right there. That goes to the back of the amplifier. And that's going to key the amplifier for you. If you don't want the key, put it in standby. I left the lid off of here so we can show you the inside for this video. We're going to turn it and bypass that when you do it. Okay. You want to see it working? See, we got it set up right now. That's 1,000 watts across the top. That's about 4 1/4. 2,500 watts right there. There's 2,000. Audio, check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Alright, there's AM and here's sideband. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, audio. Alright. I know you can't wait to get this home, Phil. It's all gonna go on a crate, go in the truck. Let's see what else I wanted to show you. That's it. Alright, hope you like your video. Show you the inside a little more. There's the power supply in the back. Air is force fed to these two tubes. Roller inductor, chain driven on all the tuning stages. Pretty nice box, man. Alright Phil, take care.